Good morning students, welcome to your computer class. Beta, we have started our second chapter, Access. In previous lecture, what we have done? We have done how we can sort the form, how we can filter the data in Access, and one more topic we have done, that how we can filter the data by using two forms. Those forms are using AND or. Today we will do creating relationship between the tables, with how we can create a relationship. Beta, first thing, रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट करने के लिए फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेक टू टेबल्स. आपको पहले दो टेबल्स बनाने होंगे. देन आफ्टर यू कैन क्रिएट रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन दीज टू टेबल्स. हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट? लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर प्रैक्टिकल.
But in this practical, what we will do our creating relationships between tables. If we are doing relationships, then for relationship we have to make two tables. One table we have made in our previous class, that is your student detail. Now how we can create one more table? In your menu bar there is an option create tab is here, then table. Whenever you are going to click the table, then your new table will be selected. Now here we can't write anything because we want to write, then we have to first design our table, design view. Then for design view you have to name this. For example, I am going to give the name dance practice and then click on OK. This one is your second table and this one is your design view. First you have to make your design, then what you are going to take. For example, in your book on page number 27, it's already given this one dialog box. Okay, first one is your student ID is given. You know very well that how we can create, how we can design our table. Student ID and student ID, again I am going to repeat that in numbers only because student ID means roll number. Second one, name. Okay, name should be in text. And this one, from here you can select that field size whatever you want to give. Now our third field, class. I am going to take a class here, and class is also text. And here you can write dance practice, means which dance, क्योंकि आपको डांस की प्रैक्टिस कौन करवा रहा है. एंड वन मोर फील्ड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक हियर डांस ओनली. ओके, दिस वन इज आवर. Here you can choose your limits. It totally depends on you that what you want to give for limits. And now data sheet 2. See the data sheet 2. Yes, I have saved. Here you can input your data. Earlier also I have told you. For example, this one is student ID. Any ID you can give. Now name. Name is also depends on you. I am going to give here some name. Any name you can give. Okay, class also, it depends on you that who's studying which class. It totally depends on you. Okay, now dance practice. Dance practice means आपके बुक में गिवन है आपने डांस प्रैक्टिस. फॉर एग्जांपल, आप जब अपने एनुअल फंक्शन की प्रिपरेशन करते हो, देन सम एरियाज हैव अलॉटेड टू यू. कुछ एरियाज आपके अलॉट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, समवन इज़ डूइंग प्रैक्टिस ऑन द स्टेज, समवन इज़ इन ऑडिटोरियम, वट एवर यू कैन गिव हेयर. आपको जहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करनी है. फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट स्टेज, ऑडिटोरियम, dance room, ground floor dance room. Any stage you can give, means any area you can give as your wish. Now here, type of dance. This process will same. Okay, we have created our two tables. Here this one is given first line that स्टूडेंट्स टेबल इन प्रीवियस चैप्टर, प्रीवियस क्लास मीन्स आपने एक फील्ड ऐसे लेनी है जो हमारे पहले फील्ड में भी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट डिटेल्स में रोल नंबर इज रिटर्न, बट हेयर वी हैव टू गिव द नेम दैट योर रोल नंबर मीन्स आप किस की से किस फील्ड से उसको कंपेयर करवा रहे हो. ओके, this one. Now on page number 27 your first point is click on database tools tab. How you can create relationship क्या है बेटा? First given in third paragraph here. First read out this one. In most relationship the primary key field in one table is related to a field in another table. Means I have told you earlier that what is the use of primary key. For example in this student detail, which one is your primary key? Roll number is, if roll number is your primary key, then in this table dance practice roll number is called, yes, foreign key. Foreign key means वो बाहर से आई है. Okay, in first table it's called primary key and in second table it's called foreign key. Now how you can create relationship? First click on database tool. Database tools is here. In your menu bar tab is here. Click on relationship button. Second point क्या है? Click on relationship button, this one. I have clicked. Now here a dialog box will be appear that which table you want to, yes, compare. आपने कौन सा टेबल कंपेयर करना है, किस टेबल में रिलेशनशिप आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. These two tables are given here. Now third is if the show table dialog box does not appear, click on the show table button. But our table is, our dialog box has appeared. अगर ये dialog box आपको नहीं दिख रहा है then you have to click here show table, then it will be open. Now come on next page 28 page number. Your fourth point is given. Click on a table you want to add to relationships window. For example I am going to click on students detail and then click on add. Repeat the steps 4 and 5 for each table that you want to add. Means आपने जो भी add करना है वो आप ये, but here you are having only 2 tables, that's why अगर आपको उससे ज़्यादा table compare करने हैं, if you are having more than 4 to 5 tables and you want to find out the relationship between only 2 tables, then you can select that tables and click here. For example I want to find out the relationships between in 3 tables, means we are having 2 tables but student details table I have selected 2 times, that's why it's come 3 times. Okay, 7, when you're finishing adding tables to the relationship window, click on the close button. I have done to remove the show table dialog box. तो dialog box था वो remove हो गया just by clicking on close tab button. Now your 8th one, place your mouse pointer over the field you want to use to create a relationship with another table. Means आपने जो भी find out करना है like this. Okay, now what you are going to do, 9th point, drag the field with mouse over the other table and until a small box appears over the matching field. जैसे आपका create means आपने ये जैसे move on किया, let's see this one dance with roll number. आप ये दो compare करना चाहते हो, then how can you dance, ये आपका box में आ गया and up to here your mouse pointer is this one and अगर आप roll number और dance में करना चाहते हो, here also you can change that I want to compare with dance to dance, then create means आपका वो relationship create हो गया. From first table to second roll number to dance, ये दो आपको compare करेगा and in second relationship dance to dance, this relationship will be appeared. Okay, then come on next page 29, table query and related queries areas display वो आया था आपको display हुआ था. whenever we are going to click on create, जैसे हमने create पे click किया our relationship done. A line contains the field in the 2 table to show that relationship is created, means आपका ये relationship create हो गया है. Okay, then on page number 29 same page number, last topic is here, deleting a relationship between tables. How we can delete a अगर हमने ये बना तो दिया but we want to delete it now, then how we are going to do? First one, click on the line for the relationship you want to delete. उस line पे click करो जो आपको delete करनी है, then press the delete key and one dialog box will be appear and click here yes, means आपका ये रिलेशनशिप डिलीट हो गया है. ओके नाउ
Beta, our next topic is creating form. First, tell me what is the meaning of form? Form means it is a type of a view to view a one or more table data together. Means अगर आपके पास डाटा में एक से टेबल में एक से ज़्यादा डाटाज हैं तो उसको हम कैसे देख सकते हैं? It is a type of a view which is called as form. And one more thing, why is it used that we are creating a form also of our table? हम अपने टेबल की फॉर्म क्यों बना रहे हैं? क्यों नेसेसरी है? To make it more user friendly. Means if unknown person which don't know anything, who don't know anything, means उसको कुछ भी नहीं पता, but he can read your data in an easy way with the help of a form. That's why it's need that we are going to create a form of our table also. And one more thing, beta, how you can create a form and how many types of form. Now the topics, for the topics clearance, let's start and see a video that I hope it's clear to you with the help of a video.
Creating forms. A form is a view of one or more tables that are designed to be used for data entry and editing. By creating forms, you can make your database more user-friendly for inexperienced users who are likely to enter and edit records in it. Creating a simple form. Access 2016 makes it very easy to create several simple types of forms based on a table. Creating a basic form. In the navigation pane, click on the table you want to use as a form. Click on the Create tab. Click on Form. The form appears. The default form shows the fields as fill-in boxes for one record at a time. This makes it easier for users to enter a new record without getting confused by the multiple rows and columns of a datasheet view. Moving through the records. You can move through the records in a form to review or edit any information you have made. To move to another record, click on one of the following buttons. First record, previous record, next record, last record. To move to the specific record, drag the mouse pointer over the number of current record and then type the number of the record you want to move and press Enter key. To start a new blank record, click on New Record button. Types of basic forms. Creating a split form. In the navigation pane, click on the table you want to use as a form. Click on the Create tab. Click on More Forms. Click on Split Form. Upper part of the screen shows the form. The lower part of the screen shows the data sheet for the table. Changing field formatting of form. You can add formatting to your field and field labels in the form. You can change the font size, style, alignment or color of the text. The Format tab appears only when you view the form in Layout view. Open the form in which you want to format in Layout view. Click on the field or label that you want to format. Click on Format tab. Click on the formatting that you want to apply, such as fill color. You can also apply another formatting in this field. Access applies formatting to the field. Applying theme. You can change the theme of a form using preset designs, fonts and colors to give it a different look. Open the form that you want to format in Layout view. Click on Design tab on the ribbon. Click on Themes button. The full palette of themes appears. Select a new theme by clicking on it. Access applies new format theme to the form.